How to create post in Telegram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your device. Log into your account and click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. In here, you'll find My Profile at the top. Click on My Profile. After you're in here, you'll find Posts. Click on Post and at the bottom, click on Add a Post. Then you can take picture from here. You can also click on top right corner of your screen and add grids as you want. If you don't want grid, simply click on tab to remove grid and then it will be removed. Now simply click on the white circle to take a picture. Then you can click on add a caption at the bottom and add a caption for your post. After you have added, press on tick mark. Then at the bottom you'll find different options. You can paint, add sticker, text, and also adjust color if you want. You can also add emojis, location as well. Press on next at the bottom right corner of your screen after you're done editing. Now you'll find these four options: everyone, my contacts, close friends, select a user. Select the one you prefer and press on post story at the bottom. After you have clicked on post story, you're good to go. This is how to create post in Telegram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.